What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Rico's Garage. It's your boy. We are currently chilling outside of this gas station right here. There's some homeless people hanging out. But we are on our way to the dyno to dyno Daniel's car once again. So we're doing a retune today because we added ported manifolds as well as DC Sports headers onto the car and everything. So because we're definitely knowing that this car is making more power, we need to make sure that the right adjustments are there for it, because our goal is to break the world record of 1254 at 111 miles an hour. Having fun, buddy?
Would you like some ice?
No, I'm good.
Got some ice for you.
I don't want it.
Would you like a Sprite?
No. Yes, actually, yes.
It's in the
yes,
bag.
I do.
It's right here.
All right, I'll get it in a minute.
Can I put it right here?
No. Yes. No. So, like I was saying, we're on our way to break 350 horsepower today. That's right. With Daniel's car. Hi. So we'll see how this goes. We need the beers, you know.
Gotta get some good old
Corona,
not the virus.
Coronavirus. We'll see how that goes, but yeah, no, I'm excited. We'll make some power with this. So let's get into
get in
it.
there.
Yeah, get into it.
Like 78% humidity. It's hot. I mean, I'm sweating. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's hot in here. So it's averaging about 331 horsepower and about 280 to 290 torque. So it's solid, but still we got a couple more adjustments we can make to get that horsepower a little bit higher. So it's a work in progress. Here we have it. So just like that, we were able to put down 336 horsepower, almost 337. That's torque. So 287 torque. I mean, this thing is absolutely maniacal. And this is at 93 degrees in here with like 78% humidity. So given the amount of heat and humidity that there is and everything, I mean, that plays a lot into it. So this car's up there, no doubt. We're ready. We've got to make a couple more adjustments, and then from there, we'll see how this goes, man. I'm really excited to see how much power this thing puts down on a cold night. But not just that, I mean, we really just want to get that record and get that already in the books and done. pretty excited about it. Also, if you guys haven't checked out the prior dyno runs or anything, hit the link right up here. It is definitely what you need to catch as far as the channel goes and everything. Definitely stay up to date and hit that subscribe button because we sincerely appreciate it. And if you like the flames, hit that like button because yeah, flames are fun.
That shit on the street is a completely different animal. You got some more.
All right, guys. So after putting down 338 horsepower into Daniel's G37, I mean, this car's been running fantastic. I gotta say, the car's been running pretty darn well for what it is and everything. So now it's a matter of getting back to the track and trying to get that record. So realistically, the car's gonna make 350 at max. Not bad, not bad by any means whatsoever. But at this point, if we want to be able to get that record, we need to make sure that we're making as much power as possible. We still have a couple of tricks up our sleeves though to make a couple more adjustments and be able to put down a faster quarter mile time. So we're gonna make those adjustments and we'll get back to you guys soon. Aside from that, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. I sincerely appreciate it. If you want to pick up some fancy merch, go ahead and do so. We've got a ton of new products up on the website, so be sure to check those out. Our new intakes actually just dropped. So we have brand new intakes for the G37 VHR. These are the same ones that we are actually going to be putting on Daniel's car to get a dyno comparison on them. But I can tell you right now, they're going to make plenty of power. So by all means, if you guys are interested in those, pick up a set. You're gonna be surprised at the gains you're gonna get with those. But yeah, that's gonna wrap things up for today. So thank you guys so much. Take it easy. Later.